Getting lessons ready for school is not an easy task. We understand that schools require you to have a level of achievement with your students. So we have put together worksheets that meet the core needs across the United States. These lessons are designed to save you hours of searching and putting together lessons. At ASL Teaching Resources, you just click, print, and you're ready to teach. Saving you time, saving you money, a winning solution. So whether you teach all hearing children, work with the deaf and hard of hearing or special needs, you will find hundreds of ready-to-go lessons. With your membership, get unlimited downloads. For no cost to you personally, use our easy access purchase orders for your school or district to sponsor you. Sign up today and start enjoying your benefits as you get ready for this school year.